Hey, it's Michael. It's kind of late, so I'm going to speak a little bit low. In this video, I'm going to show some bloopers from my Cantonese cooking essentials course that I did with Popo, where I documented 9 of her recipes. We have a private playlist of 9 videos, and then I wrote the recipes out for you. This course is $8.88 US dollars. The link to the course is in the description below. If you'd like to support me on my journey, me and my papa, that'd be great. Click the link below. In the meantime, enjoy the bloopers from the video. They'll give you a laugh. Take care. Okay, let's do it. The Wolfhound don't know light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. You know that? Even Tongyan don't know that shit.
They know.
No, they don't.
買晒咁多樣嘢喺市特曲齋，你負責食，係咁咯。
Shit.
唔使又俾幾多嘅啫。煮嗰陣先教佢俾幾多嘢。
Don't do this. Oxay.
惡死。
Be happy. Shit. Like, you can't do this now, okay? Okay.
佢哋兩個 the size of the plate.
Shit.
No,
I know. Show them later. I want to show them that steam it later. Show them. Because they don't know how to steam.
我俾個蒸湯俾佢得啊。
You're not going to use this, I know, but I want to show them that they could use that.
哦。
Shit.
Anyone you want, that's all.
They don't know nothing. Hey.
唉，冇佢哋咁蠢啦，冇理由咁蠢。
They're all smart, that's why I don't know. Okay. 哎呀，唔好蒸咁熱。
我等佢凍咗先食。
You don't have to make it like super hot, shit.
出嚟我幾時佢等嗰啲飯疏乎啦嘛，咪食 country 喎。country 喎。
You care about the dog country, yeah?
唔係喎。
Shit, he's not like you.
啲飯硬啊嘛，咩嘅疏。
Shit, 你關心佢。
咁佢都好硬啊。嗱，而家滾咗啦，就先。Look now is that's
好食。
yes, I like it。
你中唔中意 like 而家？
麻麻地啦。
你中意佢？
麻麻地啦，佢肚餓啦。喺邊度而家？
出邊玩。
出邊玩，叫翻佢入嚟食飯啦。
唉。
係。你窿低啦，哎呀，我窿低辛苦啊！打食，你要講啊。
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question. Don't say, oh, whatever you like.
Okay.
你係師傅, so just say what you think. Shit.
苦瓜講唔講啊？
冇苦瓜。
喺雪櫃。
你係師傅. Everything we talk about, everything. Shit.
唔好攞咁多啦。
Shit. 攞好晒. Brought everything out.